How's it going, everyone? It's Jason. Welcome to Bambiz's channel. Today, we're talking about how to get more consultations from your elder law and estate planning workshop. So why do workshops matter? Workshops are fantastic for connecting with potential clients. They let you showcase your expertise and raise awareness about your practice. Even if attendees don't become clients right away, they'll remember your name and what you do down the line. So how do you turn those workshop attendees into potential clients? Here are some key steps. Planning your program. Pick a topic that's relevant to seniors, like protecting assets in long-term care or creating a smooth inheritance. Promote your workshops through libraries, social media, and your website. Let everyone know the dates and times. Preparing for success. Stay up to date on legal matters that ensure you're giving the best information. Practice your presentation. Rehearse beforehand and record yourself to identify areas for improvement. Engaging your audience. Be there early to greet attendees, as seniors often arrive early. You can offer things like informative welcome bags with helpful brochures or checklists. The all-important CTA, or call to action. Before you wrap up, explain the benefits of consultations and offer a free consultation to those who complete a workshop evaluation form. This is a great way to gather contact information and gauge attendee interest. Following up is key. Contact attendees who provided their information. A personalized email, even without names, shows you care. For those without emails, consider a quick phone call. If you remember nothing else, remember this. Avoid using consultations to simply boast about your knowledge. Your goal is to make attendees feel valued and confident that you can solve their problems. So how can we help? At Bambiz, we specialize in creating online marketing strategies for elder law and estate planning firms. We tailor our approach to your specific location and target audience, ensuring you connect with the right clients. Ready to grow your business and turn workshops into consultations? Schedule a free 15-minute call with us to learn how we can help you leverage online marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful legal marketing tips.